Hello, this tutorial will demonstrate how to borrow copies of articles and book chapters from another library using Hunt Library's free interlibrary loan service. First, you'll need to go to our website at huntlibrary.erau.edu. From there, select the quick link Borrow from Another Library. This is our Interlibrary Loan webpage. Here you can find lots of information about the service. Click on the Request Interlibrary Loan Materials link to request copies from another library. You will have to use your ERNI credentials to log in. For your first interlibrary loan, you'll have to create a profile, which will only take a few moments. You will only have to do this once. Once you're at your Interlibrary Loan account page, you can use the New Request tab up here to request a copy of an article. Worldwide students, faculty, and staff should consult with a librarian if they are interested in a print book that the library doesn't own. They may request that Hunt Library purchase book titles to lend instead of borrowing from another library. Please contact Ask a Librarian to explore options on obtaining print books. This is the copy request form. You'll need to provide us with as much information as you can when requesting a new article, book chapter, conference proceeding, or other excerpt. Copies will be emailed to you and typically take 2 to 3 days to receive. Some journal article citations in Eagle Search include an orange Borrow from Another Library ILL button. This button automatically populates the interlibrary loan form for you. As you can see, making an interlibrary loan copy request only takes a couple of minutes, is very simple, and is a great way to get your hands on materials that we don't have in the library. Thank you for watching.